The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This Vietnamese fried fish sings with complementary flavors and textures and rates high marks. The combination of golden pan-fried fish fillets, bathed in a vibrant tomato-dill sauce, perfumed with shallots and garlic, finished with fresh coriander and crunchy roasted peanuts, creates a dish that is simultaneously rustic and elegant. This recipe will serve 4 as part of a larger meal, but 2 will finish it without any problems. Main ingredients: fish fillets or fish steaks, 1 1/2 pounds, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, flour for dredging, 3 tablespoons, oil, 4 tablespoons, sauce, oil, 1 tablespoon, shallots thinly sliced, 3. Garlic, minced, 4 cloves. Large red tomatoes, blanched, skinned and deseeded, flesh diced, or 1 cup canned chopped tomatoes. 3. Chicken stock or 1/4 stock cube dissolved in 1/2 cup hot water, 1/2 cup. Fish sauce, 1 1/2 tablespoons. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Spring onion, cut into short lengths, 1. Minced dill, 1/4 cup. Minced coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons. Roasted unsalted peanuts, crushed, 4 tablespoons. For serving. Steamed rice, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Season the fish, place the fish fillets or steaks on a plate. Rub the fish sauce and black pepper into the fish, coating it evenly, set aside to let the seasoning penetrate. Dredge in flour, dredge the seasoned fish in the flour until thoroughly coated on all sides. Shake off the excess flour, this light coating is what gives the fish its golden crust when pan-fried. Prepare the tomatoes, blanch the 3 large red tomatoes in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then transfer to ice water. Peel off the skins, cut open and deseed, then dice the flesh. Alternatively, use 1 cup canned chopped tomatoes. Set aside. Slice the shallots, thinly slice the 3 shallots, set aside. 5. Mince the garlic, mince the 4 cloves of garlic, set aside. 6. Cut the spring onion, cut the 1 spring onion into short lengths, set aside. 7. Mince 1/4 cup of fresh dill, set aside. Mince the coriander, mince 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, set aside. 9. Crush the peanuts, crush the 4 tablespoons of roasted unsalted peanuts, set aside for garnishing. Cooking steps. 1. Pan-fry the fish, heat the oil in a wok or large skillet over medium heat until hot. Pan-fry the coated fish until golden brown, 4 to 5 minutes on each side, remove from the heat and drain on paper towels, set aside. Fry the aromatics, heat the oil in a wok or skillet over medium heat. Stir-fry the shallots and garlic until fragrant and golden brown, 1 to 2 minutes. Add the tomatoes, add the diced tomatoes and stir-fry for 2 more minutes, allowing them to break down and release their juices. 4. Simmer the sauce, add the chicken stock and simmer uncovered for about 5 minutes, seasoning with the fish sauce and sugar. The sauce should reduce slightly and develop a rich, tangy sweet flavor. 5. Combine fish and sauce, add the fried fish, spring onion, minced dill and coriander leaves to the sauce. Mix well so the fish absorbs the flavors, remove from the heat. Serve, transfer to a serving platter. Sprinkle the crushed roasted peanuts on top. Serve hot with steamed rice.